You guys saw me working on the gauge cluster there, the temperature and gas portion half. I did take out the other digital cluster out of my 95 Prelude. This one completely works and it's nice and clean. If you can see, I put the protector on all of the warning signals here. This one is nasty, cracked, sticky. Don't ask me why it's sticky. Also, I took out these speakers. This one is completely shattered. Speaker cover. Be changing that out with the 95. That one's nice. Of course, it's just faded. So here's out of the 95. It came with the trim. That's a little update they did onto them, and it'll look a little bit better inside of the car. I did take off the lens here. This lens is just all nasty, old, and it is broken up on top here. But I took out the lens on the other Prelude. I did polish that one not too long ago. It does have a little crack right there, but of course once everything is all in there, you're not even going to notice that crack. So going to have a working gauge cluster. I can see how much gas I have and the temperature of the engine. Now we got the working windows also. The push to start, everything feels nice and clean, doesn't feel like a hassle to drive. Of course, the Prelude is known for its cluster and its unique dash, so this is one of the main things you got to make sure it's looking good. So one of the last pieces I got to put on is this top portion. For some reason, these plastics in the 4th gen Prelude, they get real brittle and they just start to break like that. You know, of course the screw is supposed to go in there, but you just need to repair that. So I'm going to try to plastic weld. I still have some of the pieces that broke off and just try to fill it on in with the parts that I don't have. Also, you can see this one is falling apart. They just get real brittle, like I said, just start to fall apart. And then some of them have some cracks in them. I don't know if you guys could see that one. That one has some cracks. It's getting ready to break. As well as for that one right there. And this other one, you could clearly see it. Going to try to just prevent what I can for the meantime. So let me get started on that. Okay, so I finished up soldering or welding, plastic welding, the cracks. A little bit of cracks on there. That one right there. And then here's the one that had the major reconstruction on there. You know, it doesn't have to look the prettiest, but it just has to hold. And then this other one needed a little bit of repair too.